and welcome back. So after our conversation class, now we are going to begin our today's maths class. Okay? So what are we going to do in maths? Can anyone tell me? If you all can do reading, the topic is clearly mentioned on the board. Today we are going to practice arranging the digits in an order where we write the biggest number first. You remember that? Yes? In which order we write the numbers from biggest to smallest? In descending order. So what we are going to do today? See, I have written certain numbers here. Can you see them? So today we have to arrange these numbers in descending order. And if you remember, what is descending order? Can anyone tell me? Arranging numbers from biggest to smallest. Isn't it? जब हम हमारे नंबर्स को बिगेस्ट से स्टार्ट करते हैं, हम सबसे पहले कौन सा नंबर लिखते हैं? We write the biggest number first and then we keep on coming down from biggest to smallest. And when we write the numbers in this order, we call it descending order. You remember we did that? Sorry. You can also say writing the given numbers in backward counting. You can also say it कि जब हम काउंटिंग जो नंबर्स दिए हैं उनको बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग फॉर्म में अरेंज करना है. दैट इज समवट सेम. सबसे बड़ा लिख के एंड देन वी कम टू द स्मॉलेस्ट. क्लियर? सो लेट्स बिगिन विद द वर्क. यू ऑल आर रेडी टू आंसर मी देन? ओके, सो लेट्स सी द फर्स्ट सीरीज हियर. व्हाट आर द नंबर्स गिवन? द नंबर्स वी हैव इज 7, 3, 8, 2, 1, 9. So what are the different numbers we have? 7, 3, 8, 2, 1, 9. Now if you have to arrange these numbers in descending order. Descending order is biggest to smallest. Then tell me which is the first number you are going to write there. Yes class, which is the first number? We will write. Just see them all. Biggest. सबसे biggest number कौन सा है बच्चा? It's 9. So we will copy 9. और क्या करना है कॉपी करने के बाद? I told you. You will copy down the number और फिर क्या करेंगे? We have to put a cross on that number. So we will cross it like this. You remember this? Okay. Now one we have copied down. We have copied down one digit. Now which will be the next number? 7, 3, 8, 2, 1. Now tell me which will be the next number to copy here? 7, 3, 8, 2, 1. So we are going to copy down 8. Very good. So I'll write 8 and we will put a cross here. Okay, can anyone tell me why we are putting this cross mark? How this will help us? We will not get confused. हम दोबारा उस नंबर को कॉपी नहीं करेंगे बिकॉज जब हमें पता है कि हमने उसे क्रॉस कर दिया है, दैट मीन्स उस नंबर के अलावा हमें बाकी डिजिट्स को देखना है. दिस इज द रीजन व्हाई वी पुट अ क्रॉस देयर. क्लियर एवरीवन? ओके, नाउ वी हैव 7, 3, 2, 1. So can you tell me which number should I copy here? Which is the biggest of all? जो क्रॉस नहीं हुए डिजिट्स उसमें सबसे बिगेस्ट कौन सा है? Tell me, is it 7, 3, 2 or 1? 7. So we will copy 7 and I'll put a cross here. Clear? Now we have the numbers 3, 2, 1. तो अब बताइए 3, 2 और 1 में which is the biggest? 3 is the biggest. So we will copy 3. Now we have 2 and 1. So which is the biggest? 2. 2 is bigger than 1. So we will write 2. Put a cross. Now if you will see only 1 is left. So we will copy 1 and we will cross it. Clear? So we are going to do it like this. Now let's check. 9, 8, 7, 3, 2, 1. अब आप इसको ध्यान से देखेंगे. If you will observe the numbers which I have written here, first thing they are written in descending order. That means biggest to smallest. Otherwise we देखेंगे it is like a backward counting. 9, 8, 7. अब 6, 5 और 4 ऊपर नहीं था तो we haven't written. Then we have 3, 2, 1. Clear everyone? This is how you will do the work. Okay? Now let's see some more numbers here. So there were single digit numbers. Now let's see some bigger numbers. कुछ और big numbers देखते हैं. So the numbers now given to us in second series. Let's read them all. 19, 14, 27, 30, 24. Which are the numbers given? 19, 14, 27, 30 and 24. Now just look at these numbers carefully and tell me where you have to arrange them in descending order. Descending order मैम बार-बार बोल रही है so that you don't forget. Descending order, that means biggest to smallest. तो which number you are going to write the first? सबसे पहले कौन सा नंबर लिखेंगे? Just see all these numbers carefully and tell me which is the biggest number here. Tell me that now. Biggest of all. हाँ जी क्लास बताइए बेटा which is the biggest now? 30 is the biggest. So which number we are going to copy here? The first number that we will copy is 30. So we will write 30 and we'll cross it from here. Clear all? Now the numbers we have is 19, 14, then we have 27 and we have 24. Tell me which is the biggest now? 19, 14, 27 और 24 में अब biggest कौन सा है? You have to tell me that. Yes? So the biggest number among these are, all these is 27. So we will copy that and we'll cross it like this. Clear all? Now we have 19, 14 and 24. Now we have 19, 14, 24. So which is the biggest? अब कौन सा नंबर कॉपी करेंगे हम? We are going to copy 24. So let's copy that and put a cross here. Now the numbers left with us is 19 and 14. So tell me which one to be copied now? Biggest. इन दोनों में biggest बताइए कौन सा है? 19 बड़ा है या 14 बड़ा है? 19 बड़ा है. So what you will do? You will write 19 here and put cross here. अब आप देखेंगे only 14 is left. So we will write 14 and we will cross it from here. Now see 30, 27, 24, 19, 14. These are the numbers we have. Clear everyone? the digits given to us is 26, 20, 29, 27 and 23. अब हमें क्या नंबर्स मिले हुए? 26, 20, 29, 27 and 23. तो अब जब आपको इनको डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज करना है, how you are going to do? Which will be the first digit you will write? I am saying descending order. And what is descending order? Biggest to smallest. तो अब हमें क्या ढूंढना है? Biggest number ढूंढना है. So which is the biggest here? Tell me. Just see all these numbers. They all are from 20s group. 29 is the biggest. So we will write 29 and across here. Now see 26, 20, 27 and 23. अब बताइए biggest कौन सा है? 27 is the biggest. So let's copy 27 and put cross here. Now we have 26, 20 and 23. So tell me which is the biggest? 26, 20, 23. 26 is the biggest. So copy 26, put a cross here. Now we have 20 and 23. अब बताइए इनमें बड़ा कौन सा है? 23 one is bigger. So you will write 23 here, cross it, and then last we have 20. So we will write 20 and we will cross it. Is that clear? Now see 29, 27, 26, 23, 20. Now if you will see all the three series here, we have arranged them in descending order, where we have written numbers from biggest to smallest. Given numbers, जो भी numbers given है उन्हीं को arrange करना है. You cannot write any other number. मान लीजिए आपको यहाँ पे 1 नहीं दिया और आपने लिखा तो भी wrong है. आपको उन्हीं numbers को arrange करना है जो दिए हुए हैं आपको. Clear? Understood everyone? So now let's do few more numbers or few more practice of the series, or you can say digits, and see how to do the work in notebook today. Okay? Open your maths notebook and write down date and topic yourself. Okay? So class, now let's see how we are going to do our today's work in notebook. As you all can see, you have to write date, then you will write the topic, and please don't forget to mention classwork, okay? As I have written, you have to write classwork also. And after that, I have here few numbers, few series of numbers. They are written in jumbled order and we are going to arrange them in descending order today. Clear? So first of all, what is descending order? Arranging numbers from biggest to smallest. So this is what we are going to write here. Biggest to smallest. Clear? Now if you will see, the numbers given in the first series is 18, 11, 4, 37 and 25. So can you tell me which is the biggest number here? We have 18, 11, 4, 37 and 25. So which is the biggest? 37 is the biggest. So first we will copy 37 and we'll cross from here. Now the numbers left are 18, 11, 4 and 25. अब बताइए इन numbers में biggest कौन सा है? We have 25. So what we will do? We will write 25 and we'll put a cross. Now we have 18, 11 and 4. So which is the biggest? 18, 11 या 4? 18 is the biggest. So you will write 18 here and cross this. Then we have 11 and 4. अब इन दोनों में big कौन सा है? 11 big है. So we will write 11 here and then 4. So we will write 4. Is that clear? Now moving to the next, the B part, we have 22, 40, 7, 14 and 35. तो अब बताइए which is the biggest? जो हमारा ये B सीरीज है इसमें biggest कौन सा है? Which is the biggest here? We have 40. So when 40 is biggest, what we will do? We will copy 40 and put a cross here. Now we have 22, 7, 14 and 35. Which is the biggest? 35. Now let's compare 22, 7 and 14. Which is the biggest? 22. Now tell me if you have 7 and 14, which is bigger? 14 is bigger. And then we will write 7. Is that clear? This is how you will do. Now next we have 3, 5, 1, 0, 6. So tell me which is the biggest now? 3, 5, 1, 0, 6. 6 is biggest. Then we have 5. Then 3. After that 1 and last 0. Clear? Now we have 14, 18, 10, 15, 12. Which are the numbers we have? 14, 18, 10, 15, 12. So biggest is 18. Then after that, which is the biggest? 15. We will copy 15. Then we have 14, 10 and 12. So which is biggest? 14. So we will write 14 here. Then we have 10 and 12. So among these, which is the bigger one? 12 and then 10. So 18, 15, 14, 12, 10. Clear? The last one given to us is 17, 11, 24, 15, 30. So can you tell me which is the biggest here? 30. So let's copy that. 30. Now tell me we have 17, 11, 24 and 15. तो अब इनमें से biggest कौन सा है? 24. Now we have 17, 11 and 15. So we will write 17. Then we have 15 and 11. So we will copy 15 first because it is bigger, and last we will copy 11. Clear? So what we have done, this is how we do descending order, where we arrange the given numbers from biggest to smallest. Is that clear to everyone? So this is the way you are going to do your today's classwork. And your homework will be same as classwork. Is that clear to everyone? So class, I hope now you have understood what is descending order. We have been doing it many times. So today it was a revision class for the topic, and I hope you all are thorough with the topic now. What is descending order? Whenever we arrange the given number of the given series or the given numbers from biggest to smallest, when we are arranging the numbers from biggest to smallest, that is called ascending order. Is that clear to all? So now, as you all know, we have already started our revisions. Kindly do your work regularly and share it timely with me, because I am doing the revisions. In case you have any doubt, any problem, ask me, ताकि अब आपके जब assessments आए, you are able to attend each and every question without any problem. Okay, so feel free to clear your doubts with me and your queries with me. Bye for now. Complete your work and get ready for the next class. Take care.